Right, so if you saw, that's not in the right position, is it? If you saw the service video to this Amstrad 901, a potential customer who's an end user has asked if we've got an Amstrad 901, and we have, and it's in quite good condition for 40 odd years old. These are Cybernet 002F chassis. The only Amstrad thing about them is the name on the front. I don't, people, Amstrad, no. Well, Amstrad bought in some products, and Amstrad had made some products. And I remember the Amstrad VCR 7000 top load video recorder made by Hinari or Orion for them, and it's absolutely superb. And so are these. Amstrad 900 doesn't have the 3 switches here, and it's the same set other than that. They were $79.99, these were $89.99. This is the genuine made in Japan one. Here we go. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 with a Roger B.
Oh dear, that was a dead giveaway.
If you can switch it off.
Yeah, I've switched it off.
Roger. So that's a good start. It's an Amstrad probably.
Okay, we'll plug the extension speaker and I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Have to move out of the way to let a truck down into the field for the week. Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, I've got a tone control on this.
Roger that. So we're heading up to the end of the lane, passing the parking place, which is full of wheat chaff that's spilt out of the wagons.
Roger, we'll have our own field of something to next year.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Lancaster service station 151.9 and 171.9.
Roger on that.
Kind of square wheel, but now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Go 21 from Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on an Amstrad CB901. It's a Japanese genuine original one. And it's doing a 441 output. I'm on the transfer based on line over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
And send us looking for Roger Bleep on at the top of the hill.
Roger that, we forgot. No, yeah. Tell you how to pass the Kelby turn?
No, you didn't mention that one.
Yeah, I forgot. Passing the Grey Leaves turn.
Roger, got you at the Grey. The tone's still noisy.
Yeah, roger that. Go 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you there?
Tango 21, are you at the far bar point?
Yeah, roger that.
Yeah, a bit noisy again today. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm, you know, you're quite a good signal to me. It's not noisy to me today.
I can hardly tell what you're saying, it's that bad today. Right, I'm at the, you're at the 5 mile point. Amstrad 901 doing a full forward output and growing 1.1 amps. I don't think there's any point of hearing you. And there we are back on full power. Tango 21 over.
Yeah, roger that. You're fine on full power. Low power was, yeah, you disappeared completely and then came back a bit.
Yeah, I'm not reading you well enough, I'm afraid, so off you go when you're ready.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Looks like you're on the move again.
Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, 159.9 and 179.7.
Roger on that, thank you for that, and 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over. Roger on that, thank you for that, and 10-10. Noisy day. Very hot weather at the moment. It's 27 degrees here. That's centigrade for people in other countries, and that works a treat. It would have worked a treat even more in winter with no leaves on the trees, but there we are. We've got very good results on that, and we've got, if you looked at the service video, we got 0.35 volts for 12 decibel sine, 0.35 microvolts, full 4 watt output, and there we go. So thanks for watching. We'll go over to the base station, just see what it sounds like. I don't think we'll bother with the low power thing because there isn't a hum on this kind of set anyway, and it's such a faff to get to the switch at the back.
Tango 21 testing the Amstrad CB901 into our Midland 76900 base station using standard replacement line. Testing 16345 54321. Got the Roger bleep switched on, and tomorrow we're back to the very same Edmunds customer. Not quite sure what the final set from them is.